Welcome to our instructional video on installing the JPS model underwater pool light. Today, we will guide you through the straightforward and hassle-free installation process. First, let's remove your old pool light. It's a quick and effortless task, making room for the new and improved lighting experience. Inside your pool light kit, you will find the JPS pool light, a key, and a set of heat shrink tubes in various sizes. Next, we'll proceed with the cable connection. Using the provided heat shrink tubes and a heat gun will ensure secure and reliable connections. Take your time to align the tubes properly and shrink them, creating a watertight seal for optimal performance. Once the cables are connected, let's test the pool light before installing it in the pool. This step allows you to confirm that everything is functioning correctly and gives you a preview of the captivating light display that awaits you. Finally, the last step is to securely install the pool light on the wall using the key provided. This ensures a stable attachment, allowing the light to illuminate your pool with brilliance. Now, it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy the enchanting light display in your pool. If you require further assistance or have any questions, our dedicated customer support team is ready to help.